Georges Bizet's Carmen. And Carmen, when it opened, was a little bit of a scandal and a little bit not appreciated maybe as much as it should have been, but it was opened in the Opera Comique in France and in Paris, and that was usually a place where they had light, fun shows, not tragedies where somebody dies at the end. So it was not quite what the audience was expecting, and did not achieve as much success during Bizet's lifetime as he would have hoped. Actually, he didn't live much longer after he wrote it, only a few months. But now it's one of the most performed operas of all time.